Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Blocksmix free Robux giveaway. So as you can see, we have it here on their website. So if you click on this join giveaway, we are taken to the Discord server here, which is a bit of a red flag right there. And basically, that is Blocksmix. I'll just say it right off the bat. It is one of those, another one of those Robux scams that promise to give you free Robux in exchange for doing some simple tasks. So as you can see, we have it here on malware tips, and if you scroll down here, as you can see, they have the overview of the blocksmix.com Robux scam, and right here they also go over how the Robux scam works. So step 1 would be to offer the free or advertise the free Robux offer, then prompting users to input their username and verification, then never receiving the promised Robux, which is not a surprise since these sites like these tend to give promise to give Robux, which is too good to be true. For example, like 50,000 Robux just by clicking this button, and that is basically impossible and too good to be true. So please do not enter in any personal information, credit card information, username, or email on this website. So that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.